Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically sort your emails into folders in Gmail, so your inbox always stays organized. So first, simply open Gmail on your PC or laptop. From here, you can then click on the gear icon, then tap See or Settings. Next, simply navigate to Filters and Blocked Addresses. Then create a new filter. So next, you're going to have to set the criteria for the filter. So this could be something like sender, subject, or keywords. And once you're done, you can then click Create Filter. Now you can then check Apply the label, choose an existing label, or create a new one. And if you want to, you can also check Also Apply Filter to matching conversations. Then finally click Create Filter to confirm. So after this, any incoming emails that match your criteria will automatically be sorted into the folder you selected, which is gonna keep your inbox neat and organized. And that's it. So that's how to automatically sort your emails into folders on Gmail. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.